Vacuuming should be convenient, easy, and even a little fun. With the Chameleon Retractable Hose System, it can be all three. Chameleon features a unique retractable hose to bring the power of your central vacuum to every part of your home. Just pull, vacuum, retract. It's that easy. Chameleon uses a patented dual-seal system for maximum vacuum power, and the convenient hose lock ensures the perfect length of hose every time. To use, simply pull out the hose, attach a cleaning tool, and go. When finished, the Chameleon puts itself away and turns off automatically. The built-in full-size swivel handle is great for quick cleanups, and hoses are available with and without hose socks. Chameleon truly adapts to your every cleaning need. You won't know what you did without it. So upgrade your central vacuum with the Chameleon Retractable Hose System today.